Here. I got one more. Oh, is that a queen? Is that a queen?
Yeah.
Oh,
A vermilion and a queen.
look at that.
You could have taken the breaker because you guys have power.
It's not a bad one. I was on bottom too.
I'm going to, but I had to do a lot of work.